Hi, welcome to this class. In this class we will study about macro. A macro is a tool that allows you to automate tasks and add functionality to your forms, reports and controls. Macro in Access is used to open close table forms, reports and database and many other controls. It is also used to run a query or multiple queries simultaneously. So to know the working of macro, we have to do it practically. For this, we'll open database and we'll go to create menu. Here's macro. First of all, we'll show the demo of open macro. Open form macro will open a form. But before this, we'll take open table macro. It will open a table. For this, we have to select the table name, like employee salary table. I'm taking here, or we can say employee table 1. I'm taking here. So as soon as I will click on open table macro, it will open this table. We can see it practically. And data mode we will do. It's okay, let it as such. It is open table macro. As soon as we click on open table macro, it open employee table 1. Next, open form macro. There are multiple forms, so I am taking employee form 1. Named is as open form macro. Open form macro will open form. Next is open report macro. This macro will open a report. I am taking employee report 1. It will open report. Next is open next is open query macro. It will open a query. I will open student fee query. As soon as I will click open query macro, it will open query. So with the help of open, we can do all these things. We can open a table, form, query and report. If you want to know how we create form, query, report and table, for this you have to go through my previous videos that in which I told you the working in detail, how we can make a table, form, report and so on. For this you have to go the series of videos that I made for all these things. Next is, and description of the link of those videos is also present in description of the of this video, as well as list of those videos also will be present at top of this video. Next is close. With the help of close, we can close all these things, table, and from here we have to select which table we will close. Employee table 1, say close table macro. So first of all, we will open that table with macro. Table is open. Now with close table macro, we will close this table. Next, close form. close, we'll select here. This time we will close form, and form will be employee form 1. Open form and close form macro, will close that form. Next is close report, close report. Open report and close report macro will close that report. Next is close query. Student fee query we will close. Open query, close query macro. Next is close database macro. With the help of this we can close database. As soon as we will click on it, it will close the database. We can look here, database has been closed. One more is quit macro. With the help of it we can quit MS Access. We can quit from MS Access. We can look here, database Microsoft Access has been closed. So with the help of quit macro we can close Microsoft Access database. One is message box macro. It is used to generate message box. It is message that will be displayed in that. Type is critical with cross symbol. It will show, and title is message box. It is message box macro. With message box macro, message box is the title and critical is the symbol. Here is one more macro, run macro. This macro is used to run another macro. So we'll select for this open table macro. As soon as we will click on run macro, it will run in response to this macro, open table macro. We can look here. It invoke open table macro, and open table macro open the table. So like this we can make a macro to invoke another macro. So in this tutorial I explained you how we can use macros and what is the working of macros. So if you have any problem or any query, you can ask me through comment. If you like this, if this video seems to be helpful, you can like this video, can share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.